How to make money with eBay affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using eBay affiliate program or eBay partner network. So eBay partner network or affiliate program offers a way for you to make money by referring buyers or eBay without having to sell or ship anything. All you need is a blog, website or social network or mobile app to apply to the program where you can earn commission by sending buyers to eBay. eBay partner network is free to join and only takes a few minutes to get started. So all you have to do is just apply for eBay affiliate program by clicking on join and just enter all your details. And if you already have an account, all you have to do is just create. Use your tools to easily create trackable eBay affiliate links. These links can direct your user to specific eBay listing, including your own search result and other locations, and then just start promoting. Add eBay affiliate link to your blog, website, social network page or mobile apps. You can add as many links as you like, and you can focus on promoting specific items or categories that will appeal to your visitors. You can select from the variety of wide range of products listing on the eBay website. Just simply create a custom link for any particular product that you like and just place that link into your website or blog that you want. And once your sales start booming, you will earn a commission when your visitor click on your links and win or purchase an item. Commission vary by product categories. There are a variety of products with different kind of commissions on them. Product category are based on the percentage of eBay earnings for that transaction. When you drive a new buyer to make a purchase, you will earn an additional commission bonus. When you sell an item through eBay partner network, you will add a credit to your next invoice covering your final value fee. So the amount of money you can make with the eBay partner network depends on the various factors such as the amount of traffic on your website, the commission rates of eBay categories you promote, and the conversion rate of your audience. eBay commission rate range from 50% to 70% of the revenue they earn on a sale. However, it is important to note that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme like your business. It takes time and efforts to see a significant earning. You need to build trust with your audience, create engaging content, and strategically promote eBay products. So this is basically how you can use and make money with eBay affiliate marketing program. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.